Greetings! Welcome to Rocks and Water, Truisms Beyond the Classroom. Today, I wanted to tell you about an awesome story, literally an awesome story that happened to me last week while visiting an elementary school. So I was walking down the hall of an elementary school and I cross paths with this sort of scruffy fourth grade boy who is clearly not where he's supposed to be. Meanwhile, it's a pleasure to say hello to him, and he says, "Hey, I know you. You're that really awesome teacher." And I thought, wow, that's really great that he thinks so. I wonder how I'll remember him. And then he says, "No, wait a second. You're that really awesome singer." And I thought, well, that is really amusing because most of my family prefer me to lip sync. And then he said, "No, wait a second. You're the one who taught us that awesome song." And I thought, well, that rings a bell because I do know an awesome song that I share with learners at times. And he said, "You thought that we were awesome." Wow, how cool is that? That he recognized that I thought that he was and his collective class was awesome. Awesome learners, awesome thinkers, awesome in regards to their wonder and curiosity. Another thing that makes this story totally awesome is the awe in awesome. To be in awe speaks to being in wonder of something. And really, awesome learning is captured through that inquiry and wonder about our natural world beyond the self. It's having the questions and being available to investigate and share your observations with others. We all know the age-old question, which came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, it's not really about the answer to that question. Ultimately, it is about creating the question, having the wonder and curiosity to engage in that inquiry for discovery and wondering about things, the beginning of things, the essence of things, the similarity and differences of things. All of those questions that deepen our understanding of ourself and the world around us. So, in closing this awesome story, I hope that as you reflect on today's podcast, that you're able to move forward into an awesome day. Thanks for being here. Always good to see you. Bye.